Algorand cost truly equivalent to $0.0937 a coin, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. The present exchanged cost range, 0.0929. 0.0948 incredibly. The earlier day close, 0.0935 in a huge way. The change especially was plus 0.0002. Plus 0.21%. Opposite rates, United States dollars to Algo. Algorand value expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month Algorand cost forecast on Monday, September 18, cost $0.096, kind of most extreme 0.103, genuinely least 0.089 in a quite huge way. Algorand figure on Tuesday, September 19, cost $0.097, lovely greatest 0.104, really least 0.090, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, September 20, cost $0.098, certainly greatest 0.105, extremely least 0.091, which essentially is genuinely huge. Algorand figure on Thursday, September 21, cost $0.094, kind of most extreme 0.101, especially least 0.087, or so they certainly thought. In multi-week Algorand cost forecast on Friday, September 22, cost $0.092, truly greatest 0.098, essentially least 0.086 in an unpretentious way. Algorand figure on Monday, September 25, cost $0.090, especially most extreme 0.096, least 0.084 in an unobtrusive way. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, September 26, cost $0.089, genuinely most extreme 0.095, exceptionally least 0.083, or so they in every practical sense thought. Algorand gauge on Wednesday, September 27, cost $0.092, greatest 0.098, least 0.086, which most certainly shows that Algorand estimate on Wednesday, September 27, cost $0.092, beautiful greatest 0.098, sort of least 0.086, which certainly is genuinely huge. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, September 28, cost $0.092, lovely most extreme 0.098, genuinely least 0.086. Or so they essentially thought. In about 14 days Algorand estimate on Friday, September 29, cost $0.092, really greatest 0.098, truly least 0.086, or so they generally thought. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, October 2, cost $0.092, kind of most extreme 0.098, especially least 0.086. By and large, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Algorand figure on Tuesday, October 3, cost $0.092, for the most part greatest 0.098, kind of least 0.086 in a really significant manner. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, October 4, cost $0.094, most extreme 0.101, by and large least 0.087, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand gauge on Thursday, October 5, cost $0.093, kind of greatest 0.100, least 0.086, exhibiting how Algorand figure on Thursday, September 21, cost $0.094, beautiful most extreme 0.101, essentially least 0.087, or so they in a real sense thought. In 3 weeks Algorand cost expectation on Friday, October 6, cost $0.090, greatest 0.096, genuinely least 0.084, or so they for the most part thought. Algorand gauge on Monday, October 9, cost $0.087, kind of most extreme 0.093, sort of least 0.081, or so they explicitly thought. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, October 10, cost $0.090, most extreme 0.096, least 0.084, showing how in 3 weeks Algorand cost forecast on Friday, October 6, cost $0.090 in every way that really matters, greatest 0.096, genuinely least 0.084 in a genuinely large way. Algorand gauge on Wednesday, October 11, cost $0.092, kind of most extreme 0.098, sort of least 0.086, showing how Algorand conjecture on Wednesday, September 27, cost $0.092, truly greatest 0.098, sort of least 0.086, which by and large shows that Algorand estimate on Wednesday, September 27, cost $0.092, really most extreme 0.098, truly least 0.086 in a significant way. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, October 12, cost $0.092, genuinely most extreme 0.098, truly least 0.086. In about a month Algorand estimate on Friday, October 13, cost $0.091, greatest 0.097, fundamentally least 0.085, which especially is very huge. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, October 16, cost $0.091, genuinely most extreme 0.097, certainly least 0.085 amazingly. Algorand estimate on Tuesday, October 17, cost $0.090, lovely greatest 0.096, sort of least 0.084. Or so they truly thought. United States dollars to Algo conversion scale truly equivalent to 10.6746 coins per $1 in an unobtrusive manner. Today's reach, 10.5485 10.7619. Or so they in a real sense thought. The past day's nearby, 10.6963 in an unobtrusive way, change for now 0.0217, 0.20%. In every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to Algo cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an essentially enormous manner. Dollar to Algorand figure on Monday, September 18, cost 10.417 coins, by and large most extreme 11.236, genuinely least 9.709 in an unobtrusive way. United States dollars to Algo expectation on Tuesday, September 19, cost 10.309 coins, most certainly greatest 11.111, truly least 9.615. Dollar to Algorand figure on Wednesday, September 20, cost 10.204 coins, essentially greatest 10.989, least 9.524, or so they sort of thought. United States dollars to Algo expectation on Thursday, September 21, cost 10.638 coins, truly greatest 11.494, least 9.901, or so they generally thought. In multi-week dollar to Algorand gauge on Friday, September 22, cost 10.870 coins, sort of greatest 11.628, truly least 10.204 in a significant way. United States dollars to Algo expectation on Monday, September 25, cost 11.111 coins, essentially greatest 11.905, exceptionally least 10.417, exhibiting how Algorand value expectation for, in the not-so-distant